Now students, see page number 15. I am reading this paragraph, secularism. Just listen carefully. A secular state is one in which the state does not officially promote any one religion as the state religion. So secularism means a secular state. Here state means country, nation. Does not promote, does not encourage, does not follow any one religion as the state religion, as the nation religion. Means all religions are equal before the country, for the country. Not a one religion is important for that particular country. It is called the secularism. We will read more about this in the following chapter. So about secularism, we have to study in the following chapter. Now see this paragraph, this one. You now understand the ways in which countries' history often determines, underline determines. Determines means decides the kind of constitution that a country adopts for itself. For the adoption of the constitution, country's history is very important, and it is very important at the time of making constitution. So history, country's history, that is a very, very crucial or important for that purpose, for the formation of the constitution, as well as for adoption of the constitution. History is very important. The constitution plays a crucial role. Crucial here, crucial means important. Constitution play very important role. Constitution plays very important role. Where? In laying out the ideals that we would like all citizens of the country to adhere to, means to follow. All citizens must follow whatever the ideals, whatever the principles and guidelines which are given by the constitution. So we have to follow, including the representatives. So our representatives, which are elected by the people through the elections, now they should follow all these ideals that we elect to rule us. Just like in the game of football, a change of the constitutive rules will affect the game. If we change the fundamental rule, basic rule, so game will be changed. We have studied. Indian constitution has been changed over the years to reflect new concerns. We have also changed our constitutions as per the time, as per the need, and according to the people's demand also, as per the time. But we have not disturbed our fundamental rules. Often major changes. Now, Indian constitution has been changed over the years to reflect new concerns of the polity here, underline, means form of government. Now our constitutions, that is very important. Now it decides also the form of government, which type of the government is there. Often a major change in the constitution means a change in the fundamental nature of the country. If we change our if we do the major change, so what will happen? So nature of the country also changed. We saw this in the case of Nepal. In the case of Nepal, we have studied constitutional monarchy change. So the people, they changed the constitution also. How it needs to adopt a new constitution. So when monarchy was over, So the people, they demanded or needed for the new constitutions. After it has recently become a democratic society, because they wanted to make their country democratic country, so they needed new constitutions. Now see this last paragraph. The different features of the Indian constitution outlined above. Features, now different characteristics we have studied above involve complicated ideas. So we have studied, and we can see also these features are not as simple to understand, that are not often easy to grasp, not easy to understand. Don't worry too much about this for the moment. This time, now, don't worry. Why? In the rest of the book, as well as in your higher classes, you will read more about these different features of the Indian Constitution, because you will read, you have to study more in next chapter as well as in your higher classes, and understand more substantively what they mean. Substantively means really meaningful, real and meaningful. We have to understand in next chapter, in previous in higher classes also, in next classes also. Now students, now here our chapter is over. Thank you very much.